Looking for the ultimate road trip gear? In this video, I'm reviewing the 10 best must-have car gadgets every driver needs for road trips. From smart interior upgrades to practical emergency tools, these products will make your drive safer, smoother, and a lot more enjoyable. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Now, let's dive straight into the list.
LED license plate light. Driving at night requires maximum visibility, and the LED license plate light is the perfect upgrade for your vehicle. Designed for durability, these bright white LEDs ensure your plate is clearly visible even in the darkest conditions. With a simple plug-and-play installation, they fit seamlessly into most cars, SUVs, and trucks without any complicated wiring. The waterproof construction guarantees performance in rain, snow, or mud. Unlike traditional bulbs, these LEDs consume less energy while lasting significantly longer, making them a cost-effective choice. If you're looking for a small, affordable upgrade that enhances both style and safety, this is it.
Cylinder Compression Tester Kit. Car maintenance just got easier with the Cylinder Compression Tester Kit. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic, this tool helps diagnose engine problems quickly and accurately. It measures cylinder pressure, allowing you to detect worn piston rings, damaged valves, or blown head gaskets before they become major issues. The kit comes with multiple adapters for compatibility across a wide range of vehicles, making it versatile and reliable. With its durable construction and easy-to-read gauge, this tester provides precise results every time. Owning one means saving time and money by catching engine problems early, right in your garage. Off-road LED light bar. When you're venturing off-road, visibility can make all the difference. The off-road LED light bar is built to light up the toughest terrains with intense brightness. Featuring high-output LEDs, this light bar provides a wide and far-reaching beam, perfect for nighttime trails, camping trips, or rugged adventures. Its heavy-duty aluminum housing is resistant to shock, dust, and water, ensuring long-lasting durability in extreme conditions. Easy to mount on SUVs, trucks, or ATVs, it's designed for outdoor enthusiasts who demand reliability. If you love road trips and off-road driving, this powerful lighting upgrade is a must-have for safety and style. Smart Car Interior Lights. Transform your vehicle's atmosphere with Smart Car Interior Lights, a fun yet functional gadget. Controlled via a mobile app or remote, these LED strips let you customize your car's interior with millions of colors, brightness levels, and dynamic effects. Sync them with your favorite music for a party on wheels experience, or set calming tones for long drives. Installation is quick with adhesive backing and USB-powered operation, making it hassle-free. Perfect for road trips, late-night drives, or simply upgrading your car's vibe, these lights combine entertainment with personalization. Make every journey unique with this modern touch of smart technology inside your car.
Electric truck winch 9,500 pounds. If you drive off-road or tow heavy loads, the electric truck winch 9,500 pounds is a game changer. Built for strength and reliability, it provides powerful pulling capacity to rescue vehicles stuck in mud, sand, or snow. Equipped with a heavy-duty steel cable and robust motor, this winch ensures consistent performance even under extreme conditions. The remote control allows safe operation from a distance, giving you confidence during tough recoveries. Its weather-resistant design means it's ready for any terrain or climate. Whether for outdoor adventurers, truck owners, or rescue situations, this winch is essential for those who demand power and dependability.
Car Seat Gap Filler. Keep your car clutter-free with the Car Seat Gap Filler, a clever solution for dropped items. Designed to fit between your seat and center console, it prevents keys, coins, or phones from slipping into that hard-to-reach black hole. Made with soft, durable foam or leather, it fits most vehicles seamlessly without interfering with seat adjustments. Some models even come with added storage compartments, perfect for holding essentials like wallets or cables. Installing it takes seconds, and you'll instantly notice the convenience. For road trips or daily commutes, this small yet practical gadget saves frustration and keeps your car interior organized.
Automotive Fluid Extractor Pump. Maintaining your vehicle is easier with the Automotive Fluid Extractor Pump, a versatile tool for removing oil, coolant, or other fluids. This hand-powered or vacuum pump eliminates the mess of traditional draining methods, making it ideal for quick garage maintenance. It's designed for precision, ensuring you can extract fluids without spills or leaks. With its compact size and durable construction, the pump works well for cars, motorcycles, boats, and even lawn equipment. Road trip readiness often means keeping your car in top shape, and this extractor helps you do just that. Convenient, efficient, and cost-saving. It's a must for car owners.
Fiber optic starlights. Turn your car into a rolling night sky with fiber optic starlights. These innovative lights create a dazzling starlight effect on your car's ceiling, adding luxury and a unique vibe to your interior. Controlled via a remote or smartphone, you can choose from multiple colors, patterns, and brightness levels. They're perfect for long road trips, date nights, or simply impressing passengers with a cinematic experience. The installation process is straightforward, and once complete, your car transforms into something truly eye-catching. For drivers who love style and creativity, this gadget takes car customization to the next level of fun.
Ford F-150 Third Brake Light. Safety and style come together with the Ford F-150 Third Brake Light. Specifically designed for Ford trucks, this replacement light features bright LEDs that ensure your braking signals are highly visible to other drivers. With a sleek housing and weatherproof construction, it adds both performance and durability. Installation is simple, often requiring just a few screws, making it a quick DIY project. Whether upgrading your old light or replacing a broken one, this gadget improves both safety and appearance. Road trips demand reliable equipment, and this brake light is a smart choice for truck owners who prioritize function and style.
Black carbon fiber wrap. Give your vehicle a fresh, stylish upgrade with black carbon fiber wrap. This versatile vinyl wrap can be applied to dashboards, trims, or even exterior panels, offering a sleek, high-tech appearance. Not only does it enhance aesthetics, but it also protects surfaces from scratches, fading, and everyday wear. The adhesive backing allows for bubble-free installation, and it can be removed without damaging the original finish. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts, this wrap lets you customize your car without expensive modifications. Road trip ready and visually appealing, this affordable upgrade instantly elevates your car's look with a professional, sporty finish. That wraps up our list of the 10 best must-have car gadgets every driver needs for road trips. Each of these products brings unique value, whether it's safety, convenience, or just adding a bit of style to your ride. Don't forget to check the links in the description for updated prices and details. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our future product reviews and recommendations.